Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a type text effect on your Instagram story like this. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create a type text effect on your Instagram story or embedded text effect, I'm just going to show in this video. So I'm just going to add this Rubik cube to my story. So just bought into just resizing this to this, and now I just going to type as cube solving method. Okay, so we just type as cube solving method. Then you can just change the style actually, so it will be look like this. You can just change this, and you just want to change the style to the fourth position. Okay, now you can just change the color also like this. Then you just need to click on this particular animated option here. Just click on this A option. You can see now it's like typing. You can see solve cube solving method. Okay, done. And just you can just place it wherever you want. It's easy to create this type of typing text effect, and you can just can change the background color to choose this effect. For an example, you can just choose white color, so you can look like this. Great. Or you can just choose yellow, which is lighter color like this. And just you can just resize this post and click done, and just resize this post like this, and just can meet this. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.